Shopee!
Ako, natago lang po ako sa init.
Ooh, it's big.
Galing China, Guangdong.
Since this came from overseas, I'm not allowed to open this yet. How many days should I wait?
1 week.
What?
1 week.
Dada, how many days should I wait?
2 weeks.
Oh my gosh, 2 weeks? This is not a living thing.
Quarantine period.
I guess I'll wait for 7 days. 7 days. I'm not even allowed to touch it. So let's just take a peek. Well, it has been 4 days, I think. And maybe I can ask to open this today. And hopefully, they will let me.
Flashback.
I ordered this August 28 and na-ship naman 3 days later. Kaya lang, yung magaling na barko ay nag-around the world pa yata. Kaya September 24 ko lang siya natanggap. And dahil sa paghihintay, naging close na kami ni supplier. Na ang dami ko na rin narinig na excuses na kesyo ganito, kesyo ganyan. At inalok na rin niya po ako ng bagong designs and toys. And ng Baby Yoda plushie na medyo nakakatakot naman ang itsura. And also, bibigyan daw niya ako ng voucher para sa susunod na order ko, meron akong discount. Para naman pakonsuelo sa tagal ng paghihintay ko. O, di ba? Close na kami ni friend.
End of flashback.
Oy, kanino to?
Akin, bakit?
Aba, mauuna pa itong ma-open kay Baby Yoda. Silip lang. Silip.
Hindi pa.
Oh, there's another one! Oh my God, so many package!
Yes.
Grabe. Si Baby Yoda muna.
Bayan, nagkano mo.
Ang dami yun pinagbibili. It's time to open!
Pasok mo sila kay Bibi.
Okay. Okay. Well, let's open this first. Okay. Let's open the little guy first. Oh, look. Isn't he cute? Look at the box. Oh, it's nice. I wonder what this is. There's a red this over something. Oh look, it's nice. This is during the scene where the little guy is trying to reach for Mando's wound so he could force heal it, diba? Diba? Remember? He was reaching up to touch Mando to heal him, but Mando thought he was just playing around, so Mando returned him to the hovercraft. So it's cute. It's cute.
Ano pala?
I don't know what the red thing is. It's bendy. Maybe it's a stopper. No? But it's
Pakiramdam
cute.
ko yan yung...
This is the wound. And this is a surprise, you know. This one is a surprise. Because it's big. It's kind of big. I didn't expect it to be this big. I expected it to be larger than this one, but not this large. See? This one is when he was trying to get Mando to pick him up during the last episode. See? That's why his arms are outstretched. It's big. And in fairness, the details are okay, but I'll have to work on this one because I don't like the eyes. It's kind of scary. Okay. It's okay. What else is in the box? It's just filler. It's the box of the bigger one. Okay, I don't know why they didn't put it in the box. Okay, friend. So far, I'm happy with my purchase, even though it's bootleg. Why is there like that? It's a squeezy. There's a hole. Okay. Thanks for watching. Say bye-bye, baby. Say bye-bye. Say hi to your baby brother. Someone wants to meet you.
Laki. Are you Baby Yoda or you are the old Yoda?
I'm Baby Yoda.
Where's your cup? Where you drink your soup?
Choky Milky.